APAX, Fire Protection Services. We offer installations and preventive maintenance services, such as fire detection and alarm systems or FDAS, fire suppression systems, clean agent, CO2 fire suppression systems, Inert-Gas fire suppression systems, fire sprinkler systems, pre-action systems, deluge foam and water spray systems, elevator and escalator systems. Fire destruction is the man's job, but the fire prevention is APAC's job. For fire protection services, please call APAC's Fire Protection Services. Prevention is the best option, and fire waste can never be replaced.